He doesn't want to get wet? What's going on?
Oh, he should step on the paddle. Like climb a ladder. There we go.
There must be nobody in the rental office. I can't believe
Stand on the paddle! Or not big enough, huh?
Yeah, it would be a much more efficient design if those blades on those things were actually a little bigger.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
They don't really need quite so much flotation. They can float quite a bit lower in the water.
He surrendered.
It's going to have a mind of its own.
Hard to port!
No.
You need the bungee. That's why they had that 40-pound kid sitting in there driving.
I love how we're not here.
Yeah. Well, the employees are really lazy. They used to have they might still have it up there somewhere, a winch, and they would just attach a little cable to the front and winch it up.